This team from Multifit company. Today we come into a factory, and now we are doing. Our company is doing installation of our cleaning robot. And now let me introduce our company for you first. Our company Multifit is a high-tech national enterprise dedicated to the production, research, and development. And its head office is situated in Beijing, while another branch is located in Shantou. Now where I'm standing here is Shantou, and now we are working. The place we are working is in near a mountain, and it's very beautiful. And our other branch is located in Shenzhen. Multifit headquarters, Multifit factory, and Multifit Smart, all branches of Multifit. And we have Multifit has been focused on producing the cleaning robot, the inverter, and the cleaning brush, and other things about the green energy. And we have lots of experience of production, design, and construction. And since the establishment in 2009, Multifit has been concentrating on providing the best solutions for solar power station. And we have a group of experts for sales, design, construction, and maintenance. And our products are very popular, and we have these populars are exported to more than 50 countries and regions all over the world. And we achieved over 80 patents and certificates such as ISO, CE, FCC, and so on. And we are also granted by our government with because our high quality products and our